Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all really well, and I am sorry it's been a little while since I've been on here. Totally unplanned break. I apologise, but if you follow me on Instagram you'll probably get the gist of why I've not been uploading, but obviously I will speak about it on here too for you guys who don't follow me there and everything. I'm not going to go into it right now because this video is something different. I'm very excited to be sat filming for you today, although I have chosen one of the hottest days of the year. I think it's absolutely roasting. I love hot weather, don't get me wrong, but this is a whole new level. Today's video, as you'll know from the title, is a little updated flat tour. So if you watched my video when I first moved into this flat, I showed you it completely, well, it wasn't actually completely empty, it was more or less empty, but it did have some bits and bobs, bits of furniture left in that was going to be moved out. Just wanted to move in my stuff that I already had from my old flat, and then obviously some new bits as well. Oh my god, I've literally got a sweaty chin, so glam. So yeah, basically I had a bit of a vision for this flat. I wanted to go quite boho, quite colourful, which obviously I've got a yellow sofa, so that kind of goes without saying. I'd say we're about 70% of the way there with the flat. I'm obviously going to do a complete finished flat tour where I'll show you every room, everything that I've done, you know what I mean, like a proper professional flat tour. Well, it's not going to be that professional because it's me, but you know what I mean. Whereas this is just going to be more of a chatty, updated video. I'm going to show you, I don't know why I keep looking there, it's because that corner is my favourite part of the flat. It's practically done except for one little thing. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you what I've done so far. As you can see, for a start, the chairs are gone, the black chairs, which everybody hated those chairs. With the new table anyway, they were gonna have to go. So the chairs are gone, the table's gone. I do apologise, it's not pristine at the moment. I mean, it's not dirty or anything, but it is lifting. And you could do the little spruce up. I can see a bit of dust on there, but you know, that's life. So yeah, let's crack on. Obviously, Noah has gone and lied in the exact place that I'm gonna start filming because he has to be in on everything, as you guys know. But that's all good. Here we are. So this is the living room area, which as you can see is looking a lot different to last time. So we obviously have, well, fan, just because it's spoiling. This is not here all the time. And I'm just gonna pan around here and just show you what it is looking like. Apologies, there's a few bits and bobs that are not in the perfect place, but yeah, you can see it is a lot different to last time, for the better. We will start here. So obviously the fan isn't always here, but just for the purposes of the fact that it is 34 degrees today, the fan is here. And then we have the TV area and the mirror. This is the corner that I was looking at when I was filming because I was excited to show you it. First of all, these plants you will probably recognise if you watched my studio flat tour. These were from my old place. Just thought they looked really cute there. Same TV cabinet, literally just kept everything the same, like the books and everything, same TV. And yeah, I think it works. I do think it works. I think it really goes with the vibe. Moving on to this corner. So I actually have this beautiful full length standing, well, it's a Lena mirror, which I think I got from, I think William Wood Mirrors, I think that's what it's called, but I'm going to link everything below. So if I've got it wrong, then I've corrected myself. This is just a gorgeous gold finish. I was sitting here to do my makeup earlier, so I do apologise for the state of that. We then have the star of the show, in my opinion, and my mum's opinion. So this is my fiddly fig. He's called Frederick, and fun story, he actually came all the way from Doncaster. My mum actually bought him as a little tiny baby in Morrison's, 3 for £15, and she's been growing them, and look at him in all his glory. He's still growing. Okay, so now this is the only bit that I'm not entirely sure about yet, because I might have a few prints here, like a few more, but I'll tell you why I might not in a minute. The girl who lived here before, she just left like a little hook on the wall, so I just put that there just to kind of have something on the wall. We then have my gorgeous bar cart, which was actually from Amazon, believe it or not. It was really good value actually. I think it was, I want to say 40 quid. I know it wasn't loads for a bar cart. And then on here I got these glasses for my birthday. These are from Anthropology, I think. Just got my nice little neon candle, and then down here these glasses are a dupe for the White Company ones. I can't remember where they're from, but I want to say Dunelm, but again I'll link it below. I got that gym for my birthday, Tanqueray 10, which I love. Oh, look at your beautiful face. I need to redo his hair though. Look at his little bun. It's literally falling out. Coming around to this area. Now, the thing that was quite a challenge was deciding what cushions to have on this sofa. Obviously, with it being yellow, my old cushions just did not work. So I ended up getting these ones. These were all from John Lewis, but they were all in the sale, except this one actually. But as that was like the statement cushion, that one I didn't mind spending a bit more on. I'm not sure if I'm going to get any more. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm kind of feeling it. They need plumping up a bit actually, but I think that sort of pink, do you know what? It's actually not showing up on the camera very well because of the lighting, but yeah, let me know what you think. I think it works. Coffee table is the same one that I had in my old flat, which matches the TV unit. These were both from Amazon, by the way, if you missed that before. And then this gorgeous rug I actually got from Etsy, and again it was a bargain. I can't actually get over the quality of it, to be honest, for how much it cost. I'll link the Etsy store below, but it's so plush. You know when a rug feels like really lovely on your feet? I was a bit worried it was going to be kind of thin and cheap looking, but it's not, and it's the perfect size. I mean, it couldn't be more perfect, could it? So I'm totally happy with that. Now, oh, actually, I'll do this first because I'm excited. This is my little bedside table that I had in my old place. I've just put it there for now. I don't know if it's going to stay there, but for now it's just there. This lamp, I'm just obsessed with it. I love it. It's actually the most expensive thing that I bought, I think. Or was the table? No, I think the lamp was more. So this was from made.com, and I had my eye on it for ages because I just didn't know what kind of lamp to go for. So let me just stand back. Do you know what I mean? I didn't know whether to go for tripod style or one of those that kind of curves over. Do you know what I mean? I've had one of those before. But this one, I just thought the pink with the yellow, and it's just really lovely on an evening. It literally looks so pretty. I'll try and show you it later. And the reason I actually went for it is it went in the sale, and they've actually put it back up to full price now, I think. So I just grabbed it while I could. Now, the thing that I'm not entirely sure, well, I say I'm not sure on, I've just not got around to actually doing it yet, is this wall. So this wall, why's it gone out of focus? Come on, camera. There we go. So this wall, the vision is loads of different prints, gallery wall, mismatched sizes, you get the gist. Just haven't got around to ordering all the prints yet, to be honest. I've got a couple, and then obviously I need the frames and I need to get them put up. But that's kind of the vibe. It's going to be all different colours, you know, colours that go, but kind of quite mismatched. And I'm just going to have my favourite song lyrics and quotes and cool pictures like this one, that kind of thing. Obviously Ari is still going to stay on the wall because I love her. Here we have the table, which I'm sorry, there's like wires and stuff down there because I've been straightening my hair. You wouldn't think it, it's so frizzy, but I did. So this table is actually from Etsy again, and I actually had it made. It's reclaimed wood, so it's really sustainable. I've had a table like this before, not in my previous flat, the one before that. I just love the vibe. And then that brings me onto the chairs. So let me show you this one. So I actually got these chairs from Dunelm. Again, bargain. You can see a running theme through this flat. I didn't have loads of money to play with, so had to go for things that weren't too pricey. But I'm just happy with them. Oh, hi. Oh, he loves it under there. That's his spot. Absolutely loves it. Must be cool for him. It's like his little cave. But yeah, I got these rattan chairs from Dunelm, and I'm going to get some little seat cushions for if people come over and want it to be a little bit more comfy. But to be honest with you, they're actually quite comfortable anyway. And then here I don't know if you remember, if you watched my studio flat tour, I had these lovely shelves that I have made, which are kind of the same as this, reclaimed wood, and I had them up next to my bed, but I'm actually going to have them here, and then just put some lovely plants on there and some other little bits and bobs just to kind of fill in that gap, and I think it'll make it look kind of kitcheny. I think I'm gonna do another vlog like this probably in literally a couple of days, or maybe next week, where I show you what I've done in the hallway and the bedroom and stuff, just because I don't want this to be too long. But I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I've done with the place. I loved being back for this video. Thank you so much. You are literally the best, and yeah, obviously as you can see, like, I'm feeling a lot brighter. So happy to be filming again. Honestly, I've missed it so much. When I picked up the camera, just felt so happy. You know how much I love YouTube. I always go on about it. Don't think I'll be moving anytime soon, just because there's just enough space for me and Noah here now, and it's just perfect. I couldn't ask for better. I love where it is. I love the layout. I love my neighbours, you know, it's just great. Do give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're not already, if you fancy it. Plan is actually tomorrow morning, if it is not too roasted, I'm going to film a chatty little get ready with me life update type of video. Oh, hi! Why are you the sweetest baby? He's just come and put his paw on me. He says, well done mum, you're back on it, back on your A game, aren't you love? Don't you worry about me. I am back, and we're gonna do good, aren't we? And we are the dream team, me and little Noe Bear. So yeah, I hope you have a lovely rest of the day or gorgeous sleep, and I will see you very soon. I absolutely promise you that. It's not gonna be ages again. It's gonna be either next week or in a few days. Promise. Bye guys.